welcome. Thank you very much for having me here this evening. I'm a makeup artist and also a personal stylist. So Karen has very kindly turned up with no makeup on, so that's quite a big feat, isn't it, for most of us? Karen came along for a makeup lesson and then she's been modelling for me for my anti-aging makeup masterclass, which is all about a natural, enhancing makeup look. Today, hopefully, we'll be able to give you some tips to take away and you'll have some products that you can think about using for yourself. Before you go to bed, are we all cleansing? Of course, good. Are we all toning? Yeah. Are we using eye cream? Yeah. Given the charity that we're here to support today, make sure your moisturiser has an SPF in it. You may get foundation that has got 15. You know, your primer could have an SPF in it. It's just whether it's high enough. I'm going to keep the look quite simple to try and keep things looking as natural as possible. What we want is to be enhancing and to try and find a better, more enhanced version of ourselves. So I'm applying it with a brush. You don't need to. I mean, if you were doing it on yourself, you could use your fingers. It's just sometimes nicer for the model to feel a brush rather than fingers. One of your best friends will be concealer. Gently go over, dabbing. Just start with feathery strokes. Keep it light. So we're not going to do anything too drastic. It's just very subtle. You know, it matches really nicely with the skin and works well. You don't need a huge amount. And again, we're only going up to this area. Yeah, really nice. This lady over here knows her stuff. As close to the eyelashes as possible. And then you're ready to go out. Thank you very much. You've been a great audience. Thank you. Thank you.